This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Use the if block to help the zombie decide when to turn. Then get the zombie to the sunflower. Alright, workspace. So I have one block, yep, and I can use up to 5. Okay, so, wow, that's a lot of movement. I need to get the zombie to the sunflower and use an if. Ooh, if is when we ask a question. So first, I think I do need to move forward. And I'm just going to start putting down blocks like I always do. Do I need to move forward twice? Oh no, maybe I need to move forward and then turn left and then forward. Forward? Let me see. Oops, nope, that's not good. So forward twice. Yep, okay. Use an if block. Yeah, we got it. Use an if block to help the zombie decide when to turn. Then get the zombie to the sunflower. So I could get to the sunflower this way, but we got a problem. And my problem is that I have 8 blocks here. Way too many blocks. But I'm repeating my move forward a whole bunch. So what if I, instead of repeat it, do something like this? Well, wait a minute. What about if there's path ahead, I move forward? Let's try this. Boom, right? And then once there's not path ahead, I'll run the rest. Run. Yep, not path ahead, I'll turn. Okay, but I still have too many blocks. Okay, well, let me take all this out. As long as there's path ahead. Or wait a minute, what about repeat until move forward? So now, if there's path ahead, I'll move forward. I get to here, I turn left. Now I'm going to repeat till I'm at the sunflower. I'll move forward until I hit the sunflower. But the problem is, I'm still ahead. Too many. So what they're hoping we do here is use a conditional statement or an if statement. An if statement lets us ask the computer a question. So what this one says is if path to the left. So I'm asking the computer, hey, is the path headed to the left? I'm just going to get rid of this for now so I can show you. So if path is headed to the left, I'm going to say, I don't know, turn. Now let me hit step here. And what happens? Right away I check, is there a path ahead? This is true, so I do move forward. Then I'm going to hit step again and I'm going to check this. I'm asking the computer, hey, if path to the left, and a computer can only respond true or false. Or true is 1 and 0 is false. So if path to left. Nope, I still have another step here. So this is false. Since this is false, I do not do the turn, right? I don't run this line. This is false. So I just skip over the do part, hit the bottom, and now I check again. Hey, is there path ahead? Notice how this the while path ahead is similar to the if, because I would only repeat the code in this pink mouth thing if this is true. So as long as there's path ahead, I do all of this code. If there's not path ahead, I'm done and I go down here. If there is a left turn, do turn left. Otherwise, I just go to the bottom and loop back around. So let me see if it works. Joop, nope, boom. And you see what just happened? If there was path ahead, I actually did turn left. Not path ahead, you saw my signal go out, so that's false, so I don't do the do. I hit the bottom. Is there path ahead? Yes, so I move forward. Is there a path to the left? You saw me just signal for it. That is true now, and since this is true, I finally can do the do, and I'll turn left. Hit the bottom of my loop, so while there's path ahead, I check. There is path ahead, so I move forward. Now I'm going to check if there's a path to the left. This is false, so I skip the do, hit the bottom of my loop, check if there's path ahead. True, move forward. No path to move forward. Nothing to my left, move forward, and we did it. Victory! Awesome. I can't wait to explore if statements or conditionals more. Let's keep going.